I am the element of passion, the agent of change. I am fire. I am a touch of warmth, of intensity. As I rise faster than ever, life itself will only get better. I am the power within, a breath that inspires the greatest of flavors. And I can go even further. I am your kitchen, evolved. I feel its ebb and flow to fuel or tame it, so you won't have to. I am three as one, bold, fire-forged, and intelligent beyond imagination. I'm not just here to serve. I'm here to take your kitchen experience, your taste buds, and your life beyond standards. Because I am CUCKOO Inductrio.